Hello. In today's class of artificial intelligence, I am going to tell you what is AI, history of AI, applications of AI, and different types of AI. Let's see one by one. First, let's understand what is artificial intelligence or simply AI. AI is basically building smart machines that could think and behave like humans do. Well, what are smart machines? Smart machines can communicate effectively. They can listen to the human language, they can recognize it, and respond effectively. They can also perceive objects. They store enormous amount of data and can draw new conclusions from it. Most of all, these machines can adapt to new circumstances as humans do. Artificial intelligence opens up wide range of new concepts like natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. Next, let's see the evolution of AI. AI technology started back in 1943. Warren McLeish and Walter Pitts developed the model of artificial neural networks in the year 1943. In 1950, the first neural network, SNARK, was invented by Marvin Minsky. 1956 is a milestone. The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy at Dartmouth Conference. After which, in 1961, first chatbot named Eliza was developed. In 1972, first humanoid robot was built in Japan and named as Wabout 1. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2002, artificial intelligence started entering our home. iRobot developed Roomba, an autonomous robot intelligent vacuum cleaner which cleans while avoiding obstacles. In 2011, IBM created Watson. It won a famous quiz competition. It understood the natural language and solved complex questions very quickly. In the same year, Apple released Siri, a virtual assistant, on Apple iOS. Siri recognizes the natural language and responds to it. In 2014, Amazon created Alexa, a virtual assistant. In 2016, a humanoid robot named Sophia is created by Hanson Robotics. Sophia is the first robot citizen. She is capable of recognizing images and making many facial expressions. She can also communicate. Artificial intelligence is evolving day by day by making use of enormous data that is available. Let's see a few applications of AI. First is e-commerce. AI technology changed the way we shop. It suggests various products to the customer based on their preferences. Now, AI learns the customer preferences by continuously monitoring their shopping behavior. This will also build a good relationship with the customer. Number two, customer service. Virtual assistants are used by almost all the industries today, like restaurants, educational institutions, tourism, to help the customer with their queries 24 into 7, which is difficult for a human. Chatbots are deployed in many websites that will deal with customer queries. Next, fraud detection. Artificial intelligence looks for unusual behavior in the system and identifies it. It can also recognize cyber attacks quickly. Many organizations are deploying this technology to identify crimes and to prevent them before it occurs. AI in healthcare. This is a fast growing industry. AI can diagnose and identify malicious cells in the patient. It continuously monitors patients' health condition and suggests early treatment. This is helping the patients and the doctors more efficiently. Agriculture is making use of this technology to identify defects and nutrition deficiencies in the soil as well as in the crops. Many organizations are working to help the farmers produce more yield with less resource utilization. This technology can predict the weather, soil condition, and it can suggest various crops and methodologies to apply so that the farmers can improve their yields. Finally, marketing. With the rise of AI, digital marketing is helping a lot of organizations and individuals to sell their services, individual skills, and products to the perfect target audience. With analytics, we can identify when a customer needs our services and provide them at the right time. And there are a lot of applications of AI. Next, let's see types of AI. There are two different types, type 1 and type 2 AI. In type 1 AI, we have narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is able to perform a single particular task. It cannot perform beyond this task. It is trained to perform one specific task. Hence, it is a weak AI. Examples are Apple, Siri, IBM's Watson are all weak AI. Even self-driving cars are also weak. As of now, we are in weak AI. Next comes general AI. This type of AI can perform any intellectual task like a human. These AI can think on its own and make decisions. General AI is still under research. Next is strong or super AI. These machines goes beyond human intelligence and perform tasks better than humans. This is a hypothetical concept. Next, let's move on to type 2 AI. Type 2 AI are classified based on their functionality. First is reactive machines. These AI are basic types. It do not store any information. It just reacts to the current scenario. Next is limited memory. These type of data can store the past experience for a short period of time, like self-driving cars that stores the speed of nearby cars, the distance of other cars, and the navigation. Next is theory of mind. These type of system can understand human emotions and their belief, and it can also interact with humans. Finally, self-awareness. This is future of AI. These machines are super intelligent. They will have their own sentiments and self-awareness. Again, this is a hypothetical concept. We haven't reached theory of mind or self-awareness. We are still in reactive machines and limited memory. Same way, in type 1, we are still in weak or narrow AI. We haven't reached general or strong AI. this video is about just an introduction of AI. Thank you for watching the video.